Fiverr Level Badge. There are a few things you need to do in order to get the Fiverr Level 2 badge. First, you need to have at least 10 reviews with a 4.8 star rating or higher. Second, you need to have completed at least 50 orders. Third, you need to have a gig that's been active for at least 60 days. Fourth, you need to have a response rate of at least 90%. Lastly, you need to have a completion rate of at least 90%. If you meet all of these requirements, then you should automatically receive the Fiverr Level 2 badge. The Fiverr Level 2 badge is a great way to show potential buyers that you're a reliable and trustworthy seller. If you have the badge, then you're more likely to get buyers to purchase your gig. So, if you're looking to increase your sales on Fiverr, then make sure you meet the requirements for the badge. There are a few things you need to do in order to get the Fiverr Level 1 badge research paper. The first thing is you need to be at least level 2 on the website. This means that you have completed at least 10 orders and have a 4.8 star rating. Once you have done this, you need to go to the customer support page and request the badge. Once you have been approved, you will need to post a gig that is offering research paper services. In the gig description, you will need to include that you have the Fiverr Level 1 badge research paper.